Okay, allopolyploidy. Okay, allopolyploidy refer to the polyploidy that derive or caused by hybrid between different species. Okay, different species but closely related. Okay, such as like with between tiger and lion. Okay, for example, we have parent. Okay, species A. Okay, which is diploid to n equal with 8, and the other species is species B, which is 2n equal with 4. Okay, means they have 4 chromosome, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, chromosome number 1 and chromosome number 2. And for the species A have 8 chromosome, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. Okay, 8 chromosome. Okay, with 8 numbers of the chromosome. With 8 number of chromosome. Okay. Okay, and they have chromosome number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, and produce gamete without non-disjunctions and equal with 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here also produce gamete. Okay, without non-disjunctions. Okay, equal with 2, 1 and 2. And after it fertilized, they will produce okay, wait, AB individuals, which is n plus n, okay, equal with we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. With 6 numbers of chromosome. Okay, even though 6 numbers of chromosome, okay, but there is no homologous chromosome. No homologous chromosome. Okay, when is no homologous chromosome mean fail undergo process synapsis during meiosis. Okay, and fail to produce gamete. Okay, and this individual is sterile. Okay, okay, the sterile individuals will reproduce. Okay, and because of that, we mentioned that allopolyploidy common in plant. Okay, because plant can reproduce or increase their populations by the process of asexual reproductions or vegetative propagations. Okay, and from sterile to fertile individuals, okay, they have to undergo doubling chromosome. Okay, doubling chromosome. I repeat, I cannot write proper. Okay, and then this doubling chromosome will cause formations of AA and BB. Okay, which is we produce 2n individuals that have okay, chromosome will increase in number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and means they have 12 numbers of chromosome. Okay, and this 12 number of chromosome, they have homologous chromosome here, here, and all have homologous chromosome. Means have homologous chromosome. Okay, can undergo process synapsis, mean can undergo meiosis, and can produce gamete. Okay, and this called as fertile in the individual. Okay.